Yo guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a snowflake out of paper. So first, before we start, I'm going to tell you guys what we need. We need scissors and a piece of paper. But before we start, I will show you our special guest today, and it is Leo! You guys have seen it in many episodes. Okay. Now let's get it. So, if you already have your piece of paper, but I forgot to say that you guys can also pause. Very important. And if you guys haven't already, grab your paper and scissors. Then I should probably pause right now and just go get it. So, for the first part, it's kind of like making a paper airplane, but cooler. So if you guys haven't already seen the paper airplane video, remember when I told you to go this way? You should go this way this time and fold it. Okay. And then when you start, you never want to go on this side. That's never gonna work. Okay. First, why were you gonna say it? Okay. So first, you wanna say one more time. Bro, say that one more time, but louder. You guys, like and subscribe. Now. Look after now. No, not like now, like after this video. Oh God. No. It fell down. So can you get it?
It's okay.
Right. Because kind of make like an oval shape or kind of like a circle, I guess. But I made it like this, so that's fine. So same again. Don't do it on the top. Do it on the bottom because it has to be connected. If it's like connected on the bottom, do that. If it's like not connected on the top, never do that. It's not gonna work.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it back.
Then you have to redo it. Okay. So you guys can make this any design. So for the first part, I'm just gonna do like this. If you guys want to copy me, that is totally fine. If you guys don't, that's fine too. And then just put your scraps aside.
You guys are not so about 50 that just came by. Just don't care. You guys have met me before.
Been like 2 episodes. Yeah, Phoebe, you want to be in this episode?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, but Phoebe, you can not have that.
No, you can. Oh. I kind of thought that would be a fail.
Do you guys want to have this
Nope,
thing?
thank God.
You guys cannot have this thing.
See? They don't even gonna know where it is.
Yeah.
They're not our address.
And then now I'm gonna know. Christmas trees. Yeah, they will.
Oh, no, they're not.
Yeah, they will.
We're never gonna tell them our address.
Yeah, but we're just
standing. So I kind of made it like this, but I'm still going.
We're just standing next to it right there. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it's like.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, what are you making?
A snowflake. This is the video. This is the video, bro.
I didn't. I thought that you were making a snowflake.
This is the video.
I thought you were making a paper airplane.
What? That was last episode. That was like 2 episodes away.
We're on the.
That was 1 episode away. That was 1 episode away. That was yesterday.
What are you doing?
That video was yesterday.
Don't do that. Yeah.
And if you guys want to make it like even cooler, you guys can like fold it in the inside again. And then you can add some other sections. Oh, wait, look at this. Oh, that looks so cool.
Guys, look at this.
Okay, now I'm going to stop messing around. Okay, I kind of want to go this way smarter. What if I...
What's the goal? I'm pushing it on. Look at this. I got puss. Look at how I have puss.
I need to put this down. Why don't you feel... Okay, there we go. I want to unfold it now.
Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this.
Okay.
Guys, look at this. Oh my god! Oh my! I can't imagine that.
Yo, guys, look at subscribe for that.
Guys,
Yeah, but after the video.
Yeah.
Don't do it like now. Do it like after this video. Or just pause this video and then go subscribe.
Just pause right now.
We're so close to 20 subscribers.
Pause right now. Just don't stop.
We're so close to... You guys should totally subscribe because we're so close to 20 subscribers.
Yeah, we just at 19.
Yeah, we're at 19.
19 subscribers.
Yeah. With smart.
And you can know that we just started doing YouTube. Well, this is not like our first video.
Yeah, we did way
No
more.
Yeah, you guys have shown me before.
Not
I just said that 3 times.
Wait. You're not
Stop.
You're not even in the video right now. Nobody can see you. Now they can see you.
No, I can see this.
I can see this. And you guys have to make to do this again.
It's on a floor. Okay.
Guys, look at this masterpiece. Guys, look at this. Ready?
Okay.
What?
So, if you guys are done with your snowflake,
Guys, what's this?
oh, look at this thing!
Guys,
Look at
look at this thing.
Wait, I'm gonna put in my face.
I'm gonna put this in.
That actually looks so cool.
Can I try? And guys. Bye, guys. Peace.
We'll see you guys later. We'll see you guys.
Happy Christmas.
Peace.
Peace. Happy
Bye.
Christmas.